For the sake of the video, do it this way. Whatever. Hey everybody, CR Media Gal here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in a different setup today. I'm not in my bathroom. I'm in the spare bathroom because I've got a little bit more wiggle room in here, and I'm terrified of making a mess in my bathroom, so hopefully that won't be the case. But first time for everything, and this is my first time doing this. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair for the first time from home. I have in the past experimented with like some crazy colors at home, but most of the time, like a lot of people, I go to a professional salon. I'm obviously wearing an old t-shirt with holes in it because I don't care if I get any hair dye on it. So I'm not looking the cutest, but when am I ever looking cute on my channel? We keep it real over here. Pennsylvania is still mostly under lockdown. They're opening by regions, and I am going to be going back to work soon, but my hairstylist is not opening up until where I live is allowed to have hair salons open again. I know that hair salons, like so many businesses right now, are struggling, and once they reopen, they're gonna need clients. However, I would love to be able to save some money. And I do love to experiment with my hair quite a bit. I will still definitely go to my hair stylist, but part of me wants to see if I can do this myself. To me, hair is hair, so even if this doesn't work out, to me it's not the end of the world, it's okay. Yeah, I thought today I would just start out by doing my roots, which have clearly grown out to about here. I'm sorry, this lighting is terrible, but I have to have the light on to do this process or it's not gonna work. I have balayage. When I started, it was like way up here, but my hair has grown out quite a bit and it hasn't been trimmed in several months. So the balayage, part of my hair doesn't even start till like about right here. You can see there. There's a couple streaks that are higher up just to make it look a little more natural. This is well over 2 months of regrowth and the color has faded quite a bit. I am a little bit nervous. So I just got back from CVS. I bought the Schwarzkopf Red Velvet Brown, I think. Yeah, I got the 3.8 Velvet Brown, which has more of a red tint to it than what I've got in my hair. I'm thinking this is actually going to be fairly close to the color that I had. We'll give it a try. We'll give it a try. It comes with the condition treatment serum, the color cream, the developer, of course, and instructions. As a virgin dyer, I'm going to need those. I think for me, what I'm most worried about getting correct is the back of my head. That's going to be where I struggle. So I think I'm actually going to do the back of my head first and work my way to the front. That portion of this video, I'm probably not going to show very much of. I would prefer not to screw this up. I would prefer to actually do this right and have it come out semi-decent. Let's aim for more than semi-decent. Let's aim for decent. But once I move to the side and the front of my head, I will certainly film that for you guys. I'm going to read over the instructions now and get started. I know people do this all the time, but I'm not one of those people, so pray for me.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading.
That was really tough to do, and I don't think I did a very good job. Hopefully, the rest of this will turn out a little bit better.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
No, don't take that piece. Don't take that piece. really hope that this works, because right now I'm not feeling very confident.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
So I got it pretty saturated and all over me, all over the place. Now I'm gonna let it sit, I think, for like 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to clean up, and then I'm gonna use this conditioning treatment, and then I will come back to you guys, possibly in my own bathroom. Hello. So it is a couple hours later. I've let my hair completely air dry, so it's not styled, and holy crap, I'm really surprised. I think this came out super well. My main concern was obviously getting it evenly all over my scalp, particularly in the back, and without touching my already bleached hair at the bottom. And I think I actually accomplished that. So I'm really proud of myself, which probably sounds super lame for all of you who do this on the regular. I don't. So I was really worried that I was gonna really muck it up, and I don't think I did. So yeah, this is it. This is my first dyeing at home experience, and it was a success. The color looks different in my camera than it does in person, so I will put up a couple photos so that you can see what it looks in the natural light, because obviously this artificial light isn't helping. That was the other thing I was worried about, that the color I picked wasn't gonna be all that close to what I'm used to getting, but yeah, I think I nailed it. So this is it. However, I'm not stopping there, so stay tuned. Hello again. For you, it's been a couple seconds. For me, it's been a week since I colored my hair. I realized too, as I was editing the first part of this video, that there might not seem like there's much of a difference between my shadow root color, what it was before versus now, but trust me, there is an actual difference. I realize in like artificial lighting, it looks weird. But now, I wasn't sure if I was gonna do this. I was kind of on the fence about it, but I did buy myself the supplies. And I finally just decided today, you know what, I'm gonna do it. Quite frankly, goes back to what I did the first round with my shadow roots. I've really wanted to try doing this myself and see how it goes. So as you probably guessed by the title, I'm going to be bleaching my hair for the first time. This blonde was previously purposely darkened by my hairdresser. After lightening my hair, she went through with like a sort of a honey dye color over it. So I'm not gonna be doing this all over my head. I want to bring the blonde up to maybe like starting right about here, maybe right around my brow line. I'm not gonna obviously bleach every single blonde piece that I have. You know, I'm just not savvy enough to be able to replicate what my hairdresser did. There's a method to the madness, I promise. I want to lighten up some of this blonde for what I plan to do after the fact. I might just dump everything into my bowl and kind of paint it on rather than just squeezing it out. I think that's gonna be less messy to deal with because I'm on my bedroom floor. Yeah, no more rambling. I'm gonna get started and hopefully this turns out okay. If it doesn't, maybe it'll actually get some views here on the internet then. I don't know why I was nervous about just box dyeing my shadow root. That was like nothing compared to bleaching my own hair. That scares me. I've watched too many videos of bleaching at home gone wrong and people's hair falling out. And my hair is very fine to begin with, and I don't have a lot of it anymore. So let's hope that doesn't happen. So I've got my hanging mirror here. I've got a teeny tiny mirror back there. Just only gonna do the back of my head.
I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna whistle all the while. If that's what it takes to make me smile, I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up this hill, summer sky or winter chill. this hill. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl.
I don't know. I don't know.
I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna learn to ballet dance, learn a little something about romance. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna live a crazy dream, impossible as it may seem. Doesn't matter what the future brings, I'm gonna live a crazy dream. And I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big plans. You tell me, don't try it. I'm warning.
All right. I got what I could. I just took little strands here and there and kind of like tried to blend them in going up to my shadow roots. I'm going to leave this on for 20 minutes and then start checking it every 5 because I don't want these pieces to be super, super blonde, but I do want them lighter than what the blonde is that I already have. So yeah, I will keep an eye on this. Then I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Super Blonde Conditioning Shampoo it came with, and then I will be back. Wish me luck. It's the following day. I decided it was pretty late last night to try and show you guys how my hair turned out. It's very clearly a lot blonder. I think I did a good job of trying to blend it with the darker color. However, there's definitely a bit of a fail because there's now kind of a band between where it's really blonde and where my shadow root is. So there's like, it's a pretty warm brown kind of in between. I don't think it's horrible. It's just not what I wanted. I think where I went wrong was not leaving the bleach on up here as long as I probably should have. Also, I think I was blending so much, I should have still brought a lot more of the bleach up here. I'm not sure. I am definitely more blonde. And that's the back of it, if you can see it. Now that I have done this all myself from home, I feel a little bit more confident about doing this myself and potentially saving a lot of money. That's the main reason for it. And hopefully next time I'll do a better job. I mean, it's never gonna be perfect because I'm not a professional, let's be real, but hopefully I'll get better at it. Yeah, this is the end result for now. I will be coming back to you and I'm gonna do it in a separate video. So feel free to leave your comments down below about what you think I'm gonna do to this blonde now that it is freshly bleached. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so that you can look forward to that. Be sure to click the like button if you enjoyed this video and enjoyed going on this little journey with me. And I will see you guys again soon. Stay safe. Bye. Mine didn't come with gloves. Oh. No. Yeah, there's no gloves in here. Oh. They're on the back of the directions. Clearly have never done this before. Ugh. Smells kind of chemically. How long are you supposed to shake this for? I'm actually hoping one bottle is going to be enough. Whatever. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my God. Am I really doing this? I guess I'm really doing this. My hands are already sweating and I haven't even started yet. Come on. I'm scared. I am terrified. I'm just trying to play it cool. This stuff stinks too. Oh, This is messy.
You